A lot of problems with building an RV is finding space. So far it hasn't been a problem with the stabilator and the vertical stabilizer and the rudder and all that kind of stuff, but now things are getting a little tight. So I had to do some rearranging, and I think I've come up with a solution to get the second half of this thing done. This is the top sheet. And as far as I can tell, it's AC/DC, so it could be one side or the other, and it can be flipped. All I need now is my edge roller, which may take a few days to get here. Now for what I call blue film therapy. I do this for two reasons. It protects the metal from scratches and things like that. And the other is it just looks cool.
Every singer needs a song. Every bell cries out to be around. Every dawn wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a pilgrim trail. Every message needs a dove. And everything grows with a drop of love. We're all hanging on to.
Now for a little trick that I learned from Jason Ellis. Thank you, Jason. Jason uses a broomstick to remove the plastic film from the back of these big sheets. For those of us who have a little arthritis, I added a little bell and whistle and use a hairdryer to kind of heat things up a little bit. This makes it a little easier to take the blue film off.